This is lesson 5. Y equals the modulus of f of x and y equals f of the modulus of x. To sketch the graph y equals modulus of f of x, there are a few steps you need to do. First, you sketch the graph y equals f of x. 2, you're going to reflect any parts where f of x is less than 0, which means it's below the x-axis, in the x-axis. And then 3, you're going to delete the parts that were below the x-axis. Let's take this graph for example. If this is y equals f of x, and we want to sketch y equals the modulus of f of x, first we need to sketch that one, and then reflect any parts where it's below the x-axis, so it would be this part and this part. We need to reflect them, so it would be like this, and then delete the parts below, so we just focus on the positive. So it would look the exact same, but for only positive values. Sketching the graph y equals f of modulus x is a bit easier. First, you sketch the graph y equals f of x, like before, but this time all you do is draw this for only x is bigger than or equal to 0, and then reflect it in the y-axis. If we take the same graph that we had before, same function f of x, this time all we do is draw it, but for x is bigger than or equal to 0, and then all we do is just reflect it in the y-axis. So we draw it again on the other side. That's it. An example. Let's take f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. Let's sketch f of x, the modulus of f of x, and f of the modulus of x. F of x is fairly simple. All it is a standard quadratic, which has a 1 intercept at minus 2, 1 at 5, and then the y-intercept at minus 10. This is y equals f of x. For the modulus of f of x, all we do is reflect the part that was below the axis in the x-axis. So instead, it's going to be above, like this. This is going to be minus 2, this is going to be 10, this is going to be 5. This is y equals the modulus of f of x. For y equals f of the modulus of x, all we do is draw the graph for x is bigger than or equal to 0. So it's going to look like that, where this is minus 10. And then all we do is reflect it in the y-axis, so it'll look like this. This is going to be 5, and this is going to be minus 5. This is y of f of modulus of x. Do one final example. We have g of x equals sine of x from minus 360 degrees to 360 degrees. Let's sketch g of x, the modulus of g of x, and g of modulus of x. Sine x is a normal graph. We have the normal graph of sine x from 0. It's going to be 180. That's going to be 360. From 1 to minus 1. And it's going to look the same, but just reflected. Minus 360 and minus 180. For y equals the modulus of g of x, all we need to do is just reflect these parts that are below the x-axis. So instead of going down, we just keep going up. So it's 0, 180, 360. It's going to be 1. And then similarly, it's going to go up instead of go down. To sketch the graph y equals g of modulus of x, all we need to do is draw the graph from 0 to 360 as normal, and then we reflect it in the y-axis. So it will look like this. 1 to minus 1. This is y of g of modulus of x. And that's it.